I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the air filter in the engine and the cabin air filter in a 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.0T. And I'm pretty sure it'll be the same way in a 2015 Santa Fe with a 2.4 liter engine. This is going to be something that you can do at home to save you a ton of money over having it done at the dealer. I purchased this Santa Fe at the end of 2014. It came with some free scheduled maintenance, which included oil changes and tire rotations and stuff like that. At one point when I was at the dealer, when the vehicle had a little over 30,000 miles, they removed the cabin air filter and the engine air filter and brought it to me and told me that they both needed to be replaced because they were dirty. Well, upon looking at the filters, they did have some dirt on them, which is to be expected if the filter is doing its job. They also told me that the special was for $125 they could replace the cabin air filter and the air filter on the engine. I purchased both of these filters at AutoZone for under $20. The cabin air filter is a STP number CAF 1817P, and the engine air filter is a STP number SA 11500. Now I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do this repair. The engine air filter is located on the driver's side of the vehicle under the hood, just on the other side of the battery. All you have to do is pull these two tabs on the air filter and lift up the cover. After lifting the cover, you just gently pull open this door, which hides the air filter, and the air filter is sitting right here, and you just gently pull it out. You flip it over and you can see that the air filter is dirty, which I expect it to be because it's an air filter. This is the new air filter. You see it's all nice and clean. It looks good. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to gently push the air filter into the box. I'm going to close this cover. I'm going to pull down and push in these locks, and the air filter is in the engine. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. You reach over here and you open the glove box, and you will see the only thing that will make this job more difficult is you get to go in there and clean out a few years worth of stuff out of your glove box. While I was cleaning out the glove box, I found a scratch-off lottery ticket that is still good, and it has $20. Wait a minute, 1, 2, 3. It actually has $25 on it. So this repair is not costing me anything. After you remove the contents of the glove box, you come in here and there are two tabs, one at the top on each side. You reach in there, you turn the tabs counterclockwise, and you pull them out and just lay them down on the floor. Pop the other side out. Then you will notice there is a plastic rod on the right hand side. To disconnect this rod, you need to get a flat blade screwdriver. You put the flat blade screwdriver in here on the other side of the clip, and you gently tug on it and the glove box falls open. This little cover right here is the cover over the cabin air filter. You just squeeze these little tabs with your fingers. They're real easy. The cover comes off, you lay it down, And here you have the cabin air filter. You reach in and you just pull it out. This is the cabin air filter, and as you can see, it does have a fair amount of dirt on it, which is a good thing because all of this dirt, had it not been filtered, would have eventually wound its way up into the evaporator core and stuck to the evaporator core, eventually causing your air conditioner to not be able to cool down your car, which in turn would have extensive repair ramifications. You will notice that your new cabin air filter has these little arrows on it telling you the correct position for the air to flow. In order for this filter to be mounted correctly into the vehicle, the writing on the air filter itself will be upside down as we place it back into the filter housing. We now take our new cabin air filter, slide it into the slot, and gently push it in all the way until it is flush. Then you take your little cover and you push it in here, and you push it in till it snaps, and now the cabin air filter is in the vehicle. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to lift up the glove compartment and we're going to connect the rod to hold it into place. Now we're going to take our little cam lockers that we have here, and we're going to gently push up, and we're going to rotate it around. It only goes in one way, and then you turn it a quarter of a turn counterclockwise. You do this for the other side, and the glove box is mounted. If you change these filters yourself with locally purchased filters, you will more than likely have saved yourself over $100. Thanks for watching.